how to find posts by location on Threads. Hello everyone, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can find posts by location on Threads. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Threads account, just like I have done here. And once you're logged in, you will be brought to the Discover page automatically where you see a number of posts based on you. All right, based on the your most followed account. All right, you can see all of that here. Okay, so in order to find post by location, move to the bottom part of the screen where you'd see the home icon, the search icon, the plus icon, love icon, and the profile icon. So click the search icon, and once you're on the page, automatically you'll be brought to the page where you'd be advised to follow certain accounts in order to have access to more posts. Let's click on the search icon and then type the location that you want to view their post. So let's say for example Canada, then click the search for Canada option, and then posts from Canadians will be displayed here. And it is just as simple as that. All right, so you can do this for other things as well. Select search for Togo, for example, and post from Togo would be displayed here. Okay, so there you go. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to practice this.